Hi, my name is Helen Casey and I work for the Mike Morse Law Firm. What I love about working for Mike is I get to connect with people every single day on a personal level. I tell my clients quite frequently, they don't call it personal injury for nothing. It's because it's people to people. I think I would have been a social worker if I wasn't going to be a lawyer, because I really enjoy connecting with everybody every single day and being out there and helping people. I'm very proud of my two daughters. I have a 1-year-old and a 4-year-old, and they are the light of my life. Well, if you're asking me about people I would like to meet, I've actually already met the person I really would have liked to have met, Pope John Paul II. When I was 12 years old, my family and I had an audience with him, and it was a life-changing experience. You could feel the holiness coming off of him, so I'm not surprised he became a saint. My favorite quote is from Thomas Jefferson. I find the harder I work, the more luck I seem to have. And I take that with me every day working here at the firm. The more work you put into something, the better result you're going to get. When I'm not at the office, I'm busy being mom. So I'm involved in Peppa Pig, preschool, you name it. But before I was mom, I loved to golf. I was an avid golfer, played in high school, a little bit in college. It was a lot of fun. What I love about Detroit is Detroit doesn't quit. The people of this city, of this region, I don't care how far north you go, how far south you go to the Ohio border, the whole region, nobody gives up. What I want all of my clients to know is if you need me, I am here. I'm not just a phone call away. Ask any of my current and former clients, if you want a meeting with me, you can get one. Just schedule it. And if I'm not here, you can press 0 on that phone and the front desk will put you through to someone who genuinely does care. I think the most rewarding part of my job is when I get to achieve my clients' objectives, whether it's getting that wage loss check in, making sure that surgery is paid for, and of course, getting that big settlement. And I'm going to fight for my clients every single day.